So it is a fabulous day for photography today. There is a snowstorm. It's crazy. I love snowstorms.
Love can be a ship, a ship, a ship. Love can be a stone, a stone, a stone. Love can be a sail, a sail, a sail, taking me to shore, to shore, to shore. Love can be a dream, a dream, a dream. Love can be a game, a game, a game.
It's crazy, I know. It's cold, it's white, and it's fantastic. I can't wait to get out there.
It's my creation. Play and create, nothing's too safe. Play and create. Oh, it's my creation. Play and create, nothing's too safe. Play and create.
This is fabulous snow. It's just coming down really thickly, and there's so much on the ground. It's so beautiful. We haven't been in here before at this spot, so we're just looking around.
It's my creation. Life can be a kite, a kite, a kite. Life can be a string, a string, a string, lifting me up high, up high, up high, teaching me to sing, to sing, to sing. Lights of red and green, of red and green, coloring the scene, the scene, the scene. Metal, wood, and fire, and fire, and fire, bringing me this tune.
Okay, we're gonna go for a little walk around this little pond and see if I can find a composition. Now, the nice thing is that it's bright. There's snow, so it's ISO 100, and I'd like to capture things, I think, with a faster shutter speed so I can stop the snow, but I may experiment with that a little. So where we are, it's called the Stacy Meadow. It's beautiful.
This is my creation. Play and create, nothing's too safe. Play and create. It's my creation. Play and create, nothing's too safe. Play and create. Well, it's my creation. It's my creation.
All right, I'm going to try and get a shot of our tracks. There are two sets of tracks which aren't going to last very long, leading back to the little pavilion where we were sitting. And there's the snow-covered pond right in front of it. I'm not sure. We'll see how this composition looks. to the long lens. I don't want to get a whole lot into it because it kind of makes the detail disappear a bit. So I'm going to use the 70 to 300 and see what I can get there. All right, so we walked around and it was beautiful. We got a few different compositions of just the snow and the trees and everything. But as we were coming out back towards the parking lot, we found this little waterfall. Now it's coming out of a culvert and it's just stepping down into, there's like one little spot where it's flowing and twirling around, and then it's surrounded by snow. If I can get this apart, so this is my NiSi filter ring, but I cannot get the adapter ring to come out of this. I think it's frozen. So if I can get this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to go for a long exposure on this waterfall. All right, I managed to get the filter ring off, and I keep blowing the snow off my camera and off of the filter on the front. So I have a 7-stop neutral density filter on the front, and it's actually not giving me too long of an exposure. So ISO 50 f5.6 and 2 seconds. But to get a longer exposure, I can move my f-stop up to f9.5, and then it gives me 6 seconds. I'm not sure yet if I want to get the culvert in the image or not. So let's do it both ways.
I believe to believe is to feel the fire grow within.
Whenever I have someone along with me, I feel bad for them because I take forever. Anyway, so I think what I'm going to do is just get some more pictures of this woodland, and there's a beautiful stream going into the woodland with a tall pine tree there, and I think I'm going to get a little bit of that, and then I'm probably going to have to go because everything is wet and covered in snow, and it's fantastic. It's been a fantastic trip, but I'm going to have to do some care of my gear.
Color in my love, love, love. Up in the painted cup, I pour my love from a color in my love, love, love. It's good to be drinking all of the hot and sweet. Color in my love, love, love. Up in the painted cup, I pour my love from a color in my love, love, love. It's good to be drinking all of the hot and sweet. Color in my love, love, love.
Thanks for coming along with us, guys. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.